So this is how the hydro turned out. What's going on, guys? Today we're going to pick up my car. The hydro is finally done and I am super pumped. I got Josh, my roommate, driving me over. Thank you, Josh. I will buy you lunch next time we go out to Green Dot. Sounds for sure. So we did the hydro install and they found my wheel bearings were bad in the front, so I had them replace those as well. And I put EBC red stuff brake pads in as well. So I should have some pretty good braking power, and hopefully the hydro location works out. If you guys follow my Instagram...
In 1.5 miles, use the right 2 lanes to take exit 177 toward Inkster Road.
If you guys follow my Instagram, you'll be seeing the updates of where the hydro's at and whatever. But we'll be at my car in about 15 minutes, not even, so we'll see it then. Yeah. Oh, that looks sweet. I won't. Okay. Gotcha.
A few moments later.
My car back at my school's parking structure for now. Almost out of gas. But here is the hydro, how it's placed. For those of you that thought it might be too far over, it's actually really nice. It's in a great spot. Just bop, 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 bop. It feels really good. Might need to do a little bit more bleeding after I reset my ABS. The pedal feels a little weird still, but we think that the ABS sensor, the fuse being pulled, might have messed up when we were bleeding it or something, but whatever, that's for later. It still works perfectly fine. The car still brakes perfectly fine. The pedal is just slightly squishier than I like it to be. But here's the hydro installed. I'll probably come back tomorrow sometime and talk about it a little bit more. But I have to get to my class tonight and leave this car here. So, okay guys, it is the next day. I came back because my car really needs gas badly. But as the M3 warms up, I figured I would just talk for a second more about the hydro install. Okay, so this is how the hydro turned out. I was a little rushed on time last night, so I didn't have much time to talk about it. But some super nice fittings here, nice braided line going down. Mike at Detroit Drifting. I'm probably headed back there Monday or Tuesday. We're putting a plate that slides over the handle of the hydro. We'll hold this little block with the hazards and the window lock or the door lock button, and it'll cover pretty much all of this except for these 2 exposed fittings. And then the plate will sit back in here, and it'll just be a metal plate that pretty much covers all of this, so it's out of the way, and there'll just be a little slot cut out, kind of like how this piece of the trim is cut, so that you can still pull it and not have problems with it. The car is still doing good. Waiting for this to heat up. You know, I got my ABS and stuff, fuses pulled, but getting close on gas, so I figured I would go while I still have some daylight out here in gloomy Michigan. Alright guys, I'm ending today's video right here. I would love to obviously show you testing out the hydro and all of that. I'm by myself, it's hard to film, and there's no real good spots at the moment that I know of that I could just go and start sliding around my car. There's not really any parking lots that aren't gated or require a key code to use. So my very next video will probably be back at Detroit Drifting Co. I will be there probably Monday or Tuesday getting that bracket finish or that cover plate. And I'll also have my other wheels to put on. My front bumper is going to go back on because my car is going to the auto show this year and will be part of the Rally Kings display. I found out last night that I am the 10th car on the display, so that's pretty cool. And we'll be main floor in between Cadillac and Acura. Be sure to find us when you go there. I'll be there probably most of the days working it. And yeah, I'll be around. I'll be vlogging. I'll be filming. And hopefully we can put out, 1 or 2 more videos before then. Finishing up the car, pulling the hydro and messing around with that and all of that stuff. So I appreciate you guys watching this video. As always, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next video.